Hey everyone, welcome to I'm Gizmo Geek. Recently I posted a video on how to improve your navigation on the Blockon Keyloggo 970 or any Android car stereo by using Head Unit Reloaded app, which enables the Android Auto mode from your phone. When we connect the phone via USB to the car unit, this screen shows up quickly and the navigation becomes fast and easy. If you have not watched that video yet, do check it out first to know about its feature and what's the app that has to be installed on the car stereo to proceed further. In this video, I'll be showing you the wireless method on how to use the Android Auto mode from the phone. You don't have to connect the phone to the stereo with the USB cable with this method. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, there are two different ways to achieve the wireless method. The first one is the Android Auto server method. On the phone you want to connect to stereo, go to settings and search for Android Auto. You will be seeing this interface. First, turn on this wireless Android Auto option in the system. Head over to the bottom part of the screen and tap on the version number for 10 times. This will enable the developer mode in the Android Auto. Press OK for the message and go to the menu at the top and select Start Head Unit Server. Once this is done, start mobile hotspot on the phone and connect your car stereo to that network. Finally, open Head Unit Reloaded app and tap on Wi-Fi option. That's it. Within 5 to 6 seconds, the Android Auto opens on phone and the stereo. It would even show as connected on your phone app. You can now start your navigation from the stereo directly and also play music. So this is the first method. You have to start Android Auto server and hotspot every time you want to use and then open Head Unit Reloaded app to select Wi-Fi option for this wireless method to work. So this method almost takes 3 to 4 steps every time you need to start this. The second one has slightly lesser steps and I call it the Wi-Fi launcher method. First, you need to install an app called Wi-Fi Launcher on your phone. This app is developed by the same guy who developed the Head Unit Reloaded app. Once the app is installed, make sure that your phone and car stereo are paired via Bluetooth but are not connected. If they are connected, disconnect them. Each other's name should be listed in their paired devices. Now go back to Wi-Fi Launcher app and click on Bluetooth setting and select the car stereo's name in the devices. We can see Keyloggo mentioned here. Once you have selected, you are done with the phone part. Go to Head Unit Reloaded on car stereo and in the connectivity settings, select Listen to Incoming Connections. Finally, now you need to reconnect the Bluetooth on stereo to the phone. And reopen the Head Unit Reloaded app. It will show the screen where it will look for the connections from the phone. And within 10 to 15 seconds, the Android Auto will pop up on the screen and you're good to go. The advantage of this method is that as this works on Bluetooth connection and car stereo automatically connects to Bluetooth of the phone once it boots, all you have to do every time is just tap on the Head Unit Reloaded app for it to auto connect. Wi-Fi Launcher will do its job on its own in the background. You don't have to do anything after the first time setup with the app. But there's one drawback too. As this method creates a fake Wi-Fi hotspot between the phone and the stereo, the phone will assume that it's connected to Wi-Fi and the internet would not work in some phones. But if your phone can provide internet to SIM if Wi-Fi is connected but there's no network, like my Galaxy M40 is doing here, then you don't have to worry. My OnePlus 9 Pro on the other hand doesn't get internet with this method. So that's the two wireless methods for Android Auto mode on your Android Car Stereo. I personally like and use the wired method as it's the most easiest and the fastest one. Both the wireless methods have few drawbacks, but if you only want the wireless method, you can choose the one that suits you the best. Hope you liked the video. Do let me know in the comments. Subscribe and share for more such videos. See you all in the next one.